Hi guys, welcome back to a new video, and in today's video we are going to learn Adobe After Effects. This is just an introduction class to Adobe After Effects. In this video I will not teach you the whole After Effects, but I will just give you one introduction to the Adobe After Effects playlist, where in this video we are going to see only the user interface of After Effects, and we are going to see one demonstration on how to start with After Effects. So let's start. Alright, so here first I will tell you what is After Effects. So After Effects is basically one editing software in which we don't edit videos, but we do like animations. It is basically used for two things, which is motion graphics and compositing. Now, what is motion graphics? Motion graphics is basically, you can say, animation where one image or one object moves from its place to another place, and this is like known as animation. We also see many animations on television as well. These are all created with Adobe After Effects only, and it is also used for compositing. The meaning of compositing is that joining two or three videos or images to make one animation. So that is known as compositing. So, like for example, if you are in a studio or if you are anywhere else, and if you are in front of a green screen, so when you edit your videos, you delete the green screen and put any other background in your video. So basically you can say that that is compositing. So all these animations and compositing are being done in Adobe After Effects. Now the link of this Adobe After Effects, I've given it in the description box below, so you can check it out from there. And you also need one good system to use Adobe After Effects. Since it is a heavy software, you need one dedicated GPU with a good processor and at least 8 GB of RAM in your computer. So basically, I'm not having that kind of computer. I'm having a 4 GB RAM computer. It has no dedicated GPU and it's having a Intel Pentium processor. So yes, After Effects doesn't work on my computer that well, but my computer handles After Effects. However, my computer can't render the animations of After Effects, so that's no problem. Alright, so let's see the basically the user interface of After Effects on my computer screen. So this is how it looks when you first open After Effects. You don't get the recent option because I have also created some of the things in After Effects, so it's showing me the recent files that I have created. So from here you can open a new project. So a project looks like this. This is the basic user interface of After Effects. Here it is the composition window where you can create a composition, and you can create the animations. We will talk about all these things later on in other videos. Just the introduction, as I said. And this is your project window. This is the composition window. As I said, this is the project window, and this is your timeline where you edit animations, and we get the preview on this composition window. Here it is, as I said, the timeline, and in this left hand side, here you get all the layers of your timeline. And here is some of the options like info, audio, preview, effects and presets, library factor. From here we can also edit, and here is a toolbar. As you can see, this is a small toolbar from where you have to use this toolbar and edit your animations. And here you get a ribbon, but there are many options like file, edit, composition, layer, effect, animation, view, window, and help. So basically this is the user interface of After Effects. Let's create one composition here. So basically this is how we create one composition. I will give a detailed tutorial in other videos. This is going to be a very big playlist in which we are gonna learn After Effects, because After Effects can't be learned in only one video. It's a huge thing. So here are some of the options. I'm not going in detail today. I will go in detail in some other day. So let's create a composition. Alright, it'll take some time. Alright, so this is basically the composition. When you create a composition, it looks like this. This is the black window where we get the preview of our animation, where we do all the animations. And here we import all these animation, all the files which we are gonna animate, like all the images and videos. We import it on this side, and this is the timeline, as I said. So this is the toolbar, you can see. So basically this is where we animate. This is a playhead where using which we are going to give some keyframes, and we're gonna use animation. Let's import some of the files in this import window. So what I will do is I will just double click there, and here it is the Explorer window which will open, and I'll get some this image. This is a small image file. That's it. Now you have to drag this image and you have to put this in the timeline or in that preview window. You can put it on this preview window, or you can put it on the timeline, anywhere you want. As I said, on this preview window as well as on this timeline. So I'll just put it in the timeline, and after some time it will show up. So this is the one. So here we can go to some do some animations. I'm just giving you one basically one of the just an introduction to this animation part. So we'll learn all these things in some other videos. So just click on the subscribe button and push the bell icon and set it to all to receive the notifications. Alright, so let's make all the animations, and from here let's animate this one. I'm just giving you one demo of how to animate all these things. So let's get this here, and after 2 seconds we will get this right here. Alright, so what we created one animation, so let's see the preview of it. So it's pretty similar to like this. So this is one of the simple animation which we created. By the way, this is not any good animation, I know, but this is just a preview on which we create animations in After Effects. We create animations like this only. Animations are of many types. This is one of the simplest animations, and there are also many intermediate kind of animations, and also some very advanced animation as we go to television. We can do all these things using After Effects. However, After Effects is a very heavy software, so you need a good system to run it. Alright, so let's also give some of the effects on it. For example, we get one effects and presets. If we give some blur or something. Alright, so let's find some blur. I mean blur. Okay, so blurs. For example, Gaussian blur. Yes. Let's put this here, and here we get the effects control where we can do the blurriness, and from here I will give it to 0, and here in I will give it like fully blur it. See, it's getting blurred. So this is also an animation from, let's see how this animation got created. So at first it was not blur, but when it get into like at the last, it is getting more blurry. You see, it's fully blurred. So this is one of the simplest animations which we created. Alright, so I hope you like this introduction video to our After Effects playlist. So just click on that like button if you like this video, and also hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and set it to all receive the other tutorial videos of After Effects. As I said, this was just one introduction to After Effects, and if you want to download After Effects, then I have given the link in the description. You can also get the system requirements of installing After Effects by going to the link in the description, and we will provide many other videos on After Effects. I hope you like this video. If you like it, then click on the like button, share this video, subscribe to the channel with the bell icon to receive the notifications of all the other videos on After Effects, as well as all other tutorial videos on our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.